Isn't the refrigerator just a must-have in every home? It keeps our food fresh and tasty, but we know that dealing with unpleasant odors after cleaning can be a bit tricky. Even when you've given your fridge a thorough clean, those stubborn smells may still linger around. It's all because of the natural decomposition process of food. Expired or poorly stored items, they can release foul-smelling gases and end up contaminating your beloved appliance. But fret not, we've got you covered. In this video, we've gathered 5 friendly and effective tips to help you say goodbye to those unpleasant odors and keep your refrigerator smelling fresh as a daisy. Tip 1. Coffee grounds. Did you know that caffeine contains nitrogen, a gas that can help carbon eliminate sulfur from the air? Coffee grounds can absorb hydrogen sulfide gas, which is one of the main culprits behind those unpleasant smells. After cleaning the inside of your refrigerator, simply place a cup of coffee grounds inside it. Opt for a wider container, as the coffee grounds will absorb the odor faster. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. And remember to replace the coffee grounds every 30 days for best results. Tip 2. White alcohol vinegar. Alcohol vinegar is a powerhouse when it comes to cleaning. With its high concentration of acetic acid, it acts as a disinfectant, degreaser, and bactericide, making it an excellent alternative for removing bad odors from your refrigerator. After your usual cleaning routine, just wipe the interior of your refrigerator with a damp cloth soaked in vinegar. Tip 3. Baking soda. Ah, good old baking soda. It's not just for baking, it's also a handy helper in eliminating stains, bacteria, and those pesky organic odors that come from food residues. After cleaning your refrigerator, simply dilute some baking soda in water and apply it to the interior. You'll notice the bad smell vanishing in no time. Tip 4. Apple. An apple a day keeps the bad odors away. Apples have a natural ability to attract and absorb molecules of bad odor inside the refrigerator. Just cut an apple in half and leave it in the refrigerator for 3 days. Say hello to a fresh-smelling fridge. Tip 5. Activated charcoal. Activated charcoal to the rescue. It contains microscopic pores that act as a filter, absorbing bad odors like a champ. After cleaning, simply place some activated charcoal in a container and leave it at the bottom of your refrigerator. It'll work its magic in no time. So there you have it, 5 friendly tips to banish unpleasant odors from your refrigerator after cleaning. We hope you found them helpful. Don't hesitate to share this video with your loved ones and give it a thumbs up to support our channel. Happy odor-free fridge days!